Good morning everyone. I am Jayachandran, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department from Emmanuel Arasar JJ College of Engineering. Now I am teaching about process planning and cost estimation. What is meant by process planning? It is understood that the product design for each product has been developed in the design department. To convert the product design into a product, a manufacturing plan is required. The activity of developing such a plan is called process planning. Also, process planning involves determining the most appropriate manufacturing process and the order in which they should be performed to produce a given part or product so that it fulfills all the specification given by design engineering at a competitive cost. Also, process planning can be explained briefly as an act of preparing a detailed work instructions for the manufacture and assembly of components into a finished product in discrete part manufacturing environments. Process planning, also known as operations planning, is the systematic determination of the engineering processes and systems to manufacture a product competitively and economically. Process planning is a detailed specification which lists the operations, tools and facilities. Coming to the next section, objectives of process planning. First one is translate engineering drawings into manufacturing steps. Second one is select economical and efficient processes. Then third one is reduce production time and cost. The fourth one is ensure required quality and accuracy. The fifth one is to improve productivity and resource utilization. Coming to the next section, steps in process planning. There are several steps in process planning. The first one is study of product design. That is material, shape, dimensions and tolerances. The second step is selection of raw material. That means the raw materials, standard sizes, allowance for machining, etc. The third step is selection of manufacturing processes. It includes casting, forging, machining, welding, etc. The fourth step is operation sequencing. It means the logical order. The logical order includes rough to finish. And the fifth step is selection of machines. That means using the machines like lathe, milling, CNC, drilling, etc. The sixth step is selection of tools, jigs and fixtures. The seventh step is determination of process parameters. It includes cutting speed, feed, depth of cut, etc. Coming to the eighth step, inspection planning. It includes gauges, measuring instruments like that. The final step, the ninth step is preparation of process documents. It includes route sheet, operation sheet, etc. The figure shows how the process planning becomes the design and manufacture interface. And the figure shows that the process planning, the design and manufacturing interface. The design and manufacturing time, that is the time to market, has to be shortened as much as possible by the system. For that purpose, cross-functional teams are employed to simultaneously work on the design and manufacturing functions instead of traditional over-the-wall approach. This approach is known as simultaneous or concurrent engineering. The figure shows the process planning activity is the link between design and manufacturing functions. Coming to the next section, The factors affecting process planning. The first one is product design and tolerances. Second one is production quantity. Third one is type of production. It includes job, batch and mass production. The fourth one is available machines and tools. The fifth one is skill level of labor. And the seventh one is time and cost constraints. Coming to the next section, documents used in process planning. There are several documents is essential to make the product clearly and got the output as mentioned earlier to the manufacturing unit or design unit. These requirements or this process planning documents are very much essential. They are, first one is route sheet, second one is operation sheet, third one is tool list, fourth one is inspection sheet. Coming to the next section, advantages of process planning. First one is consistent and standardized production, second one is reduced manufacturing cost, third one is better quality control, fourth one is reduced lead time, fifth one is efficient use of resources. Thank you.